Woods. Oh, it's under hit. It's Sidibe's round Hennessy. Delap's waiting for it. 1-0 Stoke. The easiest of tasks in the end for Rory Delap. The mistake from Rob Edwards punished. Keogh's got it back again here. Plenty in the middle for him to aim at for Wolves. He can't get it clear, it's fallen to Edwards! Edwards redeemed himself for his earlier error, his first goal in 3.5 years at Wolves. Stoke just couldn't get it clear. Foley's free kick, it's knocked down by Kyle. It's Keogh! His 7th of the season puts Wolves in front here. Great knockdown by Kevin Kyle. And Keogh seized on it. Stoke still trying to get back on level terms here. Oh, it's broken to Liam Lawrence. He's deadly from this sort of range, and so it's proved. Liam Lawrence with an unerring finish to make it 2-2 here at Molineux. Fed by Glenn Whelan. Corner from Lawrence. Oh, it might break the court. Hennessy couldn't get there. And Stoke lead at Molineux. What a game. A free kick from Gray. Still maybe a chance here for Wolves. Oh, it looked like there was a penalty claim there. Salif Diao with the tackle, not Rob Edwards, but now maybe Stoke can counter. They could finish it here with Ricardo Fuller. Twisting and turning, weaving his way through. 4-2 Stoke in the 90th minute, and surely now it's all over. Moments after Wolves had a penalty appeal turned down. Stoke breaking from one end of the field to the other at breakneck speed.